Are Dodge Challenger spacers for wheels safe?
Dodge Challenger wheel spacers are exactly safe. They are mechanical components that push your wheels away from the vehicle's original hub. The vehicle wheels are fastened to the corresponding wheel hub by clamping force, achieved by tightening the wheel nut of each wheel. All forces are transmitted through each vehicle hub and each corresponding hub assembly. Therefore, the Dodge Challenger wedge is not placed on any wheel spacers installed. Installed hub-centric Dodge Challenger wheel spacers will be safer. Generally, hub-centric wheel spacers are designed with a hub-centric ring in the center that fits perfectly on the hub assembly and the wheels. This way, the wheels are centered by the hub connection, and the lug nut can hold it first against the mounting plate. These Dodge Challenger wheel spacers allow the wheel to support the vehicle weight better and fill the gap for a tighter fit, providing a minimum change of vibration. Dodge Challenger wheel spacers provide distinct performance advantages. Many Dodge Challenger wheel spacers are made of aluminum alloy, but remember that forged ones are always better than cast ones. Compared to traditional steel spacers, forged aluminum Dodge wheel spacers are much stronger as well as provide longer service life. Selecting the best Dodge Challenger wheel spacers ensures safety, and it almost always saves money in routine maintenance. BONOSS forged multi-stage hub-centric Dodge Challenger wheel spacers are considered safer and more reliable. The hub-centric metal ring is machined in a multi-layer process, and the chamfers match the corresponding hub flange, eliminating any possible gaps. The machining accuracy of 0.02 mm ensures a high-quality surface. The higher the accuracy of the contact surface, the better the fit of the Dodge Challenger wheel spacers, and the safer your drive will be. Thus, BONOSS forged multi-stage hub-centric Dodge Challenger wheel spacers will effectively reduce the change of vibration and keep your wheels safe all the way. In addition, BONOSS FT cooling Dodge Challenger wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better. Distribute in petal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that distribute on the corner of the Dodge Challenger wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. Also, BONOSS forged FT cooling Dodge Challenger wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives driver peace of mind.
If you want to get the BONOSS wheel spacers, please make sure to see the link in the description. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.